Hello guys, I'm here at YAAMAVA playing Dancing Drums Explosion. Put it on a 288 bed. Got a bonus on 288 bed. Check that out. Got a pretty nice bonus now going on. Almost $300. It's game 7 of 10. Still have 3 more games to go. Yes, I got a retrigger, additional games. Beautiful, another additional retrigger. 2 more games.
With 2 minutes and 30 seconds left on the clock, we're still looking for LaShawn D.
Come on, one more game to go. Make a good one, the last one, make a good one. No. Check that out guys, $369.15 on a 288 bet. Okay, only $2.88. Check that out.
Again, we're looking for LaShawn D. 3403 and Pilar T 2681.
$370 bonus. Beautiful. Beautiful, check that out. Do some more backup spins and cash out and get out. Oh, I even closed the pot, check that out. Wow. Back to back, close the pot.
We have a minute left. We're still looking for our last lucky winner for our $500,000 4th of July spectacular drawing. Pilar T, are you with me? 3268.
I got an upgrade.
Come on down to Bar.
Come on, let's get something nice. It's 288 bid.
Free play. That's $1,776 of free play. Looking for Pilar T 2681.
We got the mini, of course, as always. 2162. Okay, looking good. And I will cash out right here. Thanks for watching guys.